Welcome to My Pilates Club. Whether you are a business professional wanting to overcome anxiety and stress, someone who is struggling to maintain a healthy diet, or you have simply noticed you are no longer as mobile as you once were and tend to get niggling lower back pain, My Pilates Club can be an invaluable way of improving your life on many levels. At My Pilates Club, we encourage you to take a proactive approach to your health and well-being. Your full interactive participation with the information and guidance we provide will enhance your daily life and create within you a sense of calm and vitality. We urge you not to see My Pilates Club as yet just another how-to-do site. This is a way in which most of us already approach life. We try too hard, build tension in our bodies and clutch desperately at external sources to help gratify our needs. Pilates is a way of revealing poor movement patterns that we habitually practice, either consciously or unconsciously. My Pilates Club is a guide to a process of unlearning bad habits and clearing the way for your mind and body to reunite with a sense of harmony and clarity. It is a way to a more relaxed way of being. We are continually producing professional Pilates classes, specifically tailored to assist all levels from beginners through to advanced students, whilst also presenting you with essential information on nutrition and diet, together with a host of additional resources to improve your general health and well-being. The best part about the club is that all these benefits and advantages can be accessed wherever you are in the world. It's all done online from your home computer or laptop. Wherever you are, you can take us with you, travelling on business, staying in a hotel, at work, in your own home, or even on holiday. The resources are always available to suit your needs. You can learn at your own pace and at a time that suits you. So please discover more about My Pilates Club by navigating to the membership section and reading about some of the great advantages and benefits that are here available to you online right now. We hope you will embrace Pilates and let your practice become part of your life for the rest of your life.